Hey, Mr. Will, back. You got a lot of me today. This is part number 3. We are working on solving and determining how many solutions these linear equations are having. And we have done one that we have had infinite number of solutions, one where there was no solution. Let's see what we find with this one. So I'm going to change my color. And the first thing I want you to do, and hopefully we're getting pretty good at it, but looking at this equation, 2 times x minus 3 plus 9 equals 5 plus x minus 1. We need to what? Attack this problem. We keep saying attack, attack, attack. How are you going to solve this problem? And you need to do it bit by bit, okay? So again, when I see a number in front of these parentheses, I'm going to do the distributive property of multiplication. I'm going to multiply this 2 times x and this 2 times negative 3. Okay. When I do that, I get 2x. Okay. And then this minus 3, it's kind of like a leash. We need to think of this not as minus 3, but as negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 is going to give us, that's right, negative 6. So negative 6 plus 9, okay? Not sure how I feel about this color, but we'll roll with it today. Equals, all right, and then on this side, I'm looking at this equation, this side of the equal sign, and I have 5 plus x minus 1. Now, is there anything that I can put together, any variable terms or any constant terms? Well, I see 5, and I see again, this is minus 1, but we think about this as negative 1. So we're going to put these together. So 5 minus 1 or plus negative 1 is going to give us 4. So now I have 4 plus x. Okay. Oop, that's not an x. 4 plus x. Sweet. So now, looking at our new simplified equation, what can I do to put constant terms together, variable terms together? So I have 2x minus 6 plus 9. Well, what I can do is I can put those together. I have minus 6 plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9, I'm finding the difference between those, and the difference would be 3, positive 3. So I have 2x plus 3 on this side of my equal sign. And on my other side, is there anything that I can simplify? No, there's not. I have a constant and a variable, so I cannot simplify this any further. So I'm looking at this problem, and I have variable terms and constant terms. What would this, how many solutions would I have? Infinite, no solutions, or one solution based on the definition of these terms? Well, when I look at this, the variable terms are different on both sides. So I have 2x here and I have x here. So I'm looking at this equation and the variable terms are different. So that means only one solution. That's right. So that's funny how that worked out. We had an equation with infinite number of solutions. We had an equation with no solutions. And we had an equation with just one solution. So now you've had a chance to work through an example of each. And now it's your turn. So what I'd like you to do is work through some problems where you are determining the number of solutions to a linear equation. Again, remember, I'm here to help you along the way. If you have questions, please log on to office hours. You can email me throughout the day. I'm here and want to help and work with you. Good luck, work hard, and I will see you on Thursday.